Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to discuss about calculation of standard deviation when discrete series is given to you. So, children, what do you mean by discrete series? Discrete series refers to the series in which when the value of frequency is also given with the value of x variable. That means x variable is given to us, okay, and with that x variable frequency is also given to us of this x variable. Okay, so when we have this type of series, that is called discrete series. So children, when this discrete series is given to us and we have to calculate standard deviation, so we have two formulas under here. First is direct method. So I'll be showing you. This is direct method. Okay, and second formula we have is shortcut method, which we are going to follow. Okay, so first we'll be looking at direct method. Okay, we'll be solving our standard deviation by using this direct method. So we'll be learning direct method now, and formula for direct method is this is sigma equals to break this under root sign summation f into capital X minus x bar. This x bar is mean over here and we have to square it. Okay, then we have to divide it by n. Okay, or you could say कि the other formula for this is sigma under root summation f small x square divided by n. Fine, children. I guess these formulas are clear. So how to calculate in the formula we are using x square. So while looking at the formula, this formula looks quite simple. This formula is quite simple. So but what is the difference over here? This is x square over here, but in this formula we are using x minus x bar. So this x, how is this x calculated? First of all we are going to see if अगर हम अपने फॉर्मूले को बड़ी फॉर्म में नहीं छोटी फॉर्म में ही यूज़ करते हैं तो what is the meaning of this x over here? So how is this x calculated? This x is calculated x, that means you could say कि the values which are given to you minus the mean. So हम जब अपनी जो हमें values दी है, जो data दिया है, उसमें से जब हम अपनी x that is mean को minus कर देते हैं, then we get the value of small x. Okay, so how to calculate this mean over here first? Okay, so it will be summation f x divided by n. So n is the number of observations given to you. N is the number of observations which are given to us. Now children, by following these formulas, we are now going to calculate a sum, or you could say कि I am going to give you an example which by which it will be clear how to use the direct method to calculate a standard deviation. Now moving forward, suppose these values are given to you. So value of x 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 is given to you. Okay, now with this, as we know कि we are following the discrete series, so with the value of x, the frequency of these value of x will also be given. So on the other side, the frequency given is 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2 and 1 suppose. Okay, now what we have to do, children, while looking at a formula, in a formula we require summation f x square. So first of all, we'll be calculating this fx. We'll be calculating this fx. Now from where this fx is coming, we have to calculate from where this fx is coming. This small x, ये small x जो है हमारा, ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? First we have to calculate this. So just quickly look. First we are going to calculate fx capital. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 6 twos are 12, then 8 threes are 24, then 10 fives are 50, 12 threes are 36, 14 twos are 28, and 16 ones are, it will be 16. Okay, fine children, up till here. Now moving further, okay, from where this small x is coming, from where this small x is coming. Now what we have to do, x minus x bar. This x will be calculated by subtracting this value of x given to us from x bar. Now we will have to calculate this x bar also, x bar. So this is x bar means mean we have to calculate. So the formula for mean is fx divided by n. fx divided by n. Okay children. So children, in our formula we want x bar. So how to calculate this x bar? We have to take summation f capital X divided by n. Okay. Now we have to do the sum of which value? These values. So we are going to total it up, and the total comes to be summation fx, and this total is 170. I totaled it up and it comes to be 170. And looking at this value also, summation f, it comes to be, if I add it up, it comes to be 17. Okay. Now what we have to do? How many number of observations are given? That means we have to total up f. Frequency का total हमें लिखना है यहाँ पे. Okay. So this is summation fx. Sorry. It comes to be 170 divided by 17, and the answer will be, it is 17 tens are 170. So we are having our mean, this is 10. Now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract this value of x. We are going to subtract this value of x from what? We got our mean over here 10. So we are going